Welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
If you want a new SUV but don't have a big budget, the 2022 Nissan Kicks' price tag looks mighty attractive. It's one of the least expensive options available today. And while it may not look it, the Kicks hides a relatively roomy cabin behind its trim dimensions. A fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine and a continuously variable automatic transmission are standard, and the Kicks only comes with front-wheel drive, so you can forget that off-road adventure you had your heart set on. The powertrain lacks the refinement of more expensive options in the subcompact SUV segment, such as the Mazda CX-30 and the Volkswagen Taos, and when merging onto a highway it feels underpowered. The Nissan's true value comes in the form of a comprehensive list of standard tech features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a host of driver assists. Other than adopting Nissan's recently redesigned logo on its grille, the Kicks carries over to 2022 with no significant changes. The Kicks is well equipped even at the base S trim level, which includes a host of standard driver assistance features. We'd spring for the mid-range SV. It adds desirable items such as the new 8.0-inch infotainment display, adaptive cruise control, 17-inch wheels, and a center console armrest. Engine, transmission, and performance. Every 2022 Kicks model is powered by a 122 HP 4-cylinder engine that provides adequate but far from thrilling acceleration. A continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, handles shifting duties and drives the front wheels. All-wheel drive is not offered. If the leisurely 9.7-second jog to 60 miles per hour makes the Kicks seem slow, that's because it is. However, the test results we recorded are only half the story. Around town it feels plenty perky, so long as you're willing to reverend the engine. The Kicks is nimble and more fun to throw around than some larger SUVs, but it's not exactly a thrill ride on a twisty road. The suspension is tuned more for comfort, and it provided a well-cushioned ride even over the pitted and crumbling roads around our offices in Southeast Michigan. The steering is direct and accurate, but there's very little feedback that comes up from the road to the driver's hands. The Kicks has earned excellent EPA fuel economy ratings of 31 mpg city and 36 mpg highway. In our 75 mph real-world highway fuel economy test, it sipped fuel more like an economy car than an SUV. Its 37 mpg result tied with the Toyota CR. Despite its stellar result in our test, the tiny 10.8-gallon fuel tank abbreviates its cruising range. For more information about the Kicks' fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior styling is less trendy than the exterior design of the Kicks, but it is well built, looks grown up, and has a user-friendly interior. An adult-sized rear seat means it can haul people in cargo without the cramped feeling one might experience in rivals such as the CHR. Thanks for watching.